Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something that's revolutionizing the business world, AI in 2026. Over the past 3 years, AI has skyrocketed in growth. Just look at these charts. You can see a steady upward climb, and projections into 2030 show it's only going to get better. Now, you might be asking, how can you harness AI to elevate your business? Here are some powerful tips. First, integrate AI into your customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are getting smarter, offering 24/7 support. They can handle common queries, freeing up your team to tackle more complex issues. Second, AI-driven analytics can give you deep insights into customer behavior. Use this data to tailor your marketing strategies and boost customer satisfaction. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want before they do. Third, consider AI for inventory management. Predictive analytics can forecast demand, helping you maintain optimal stock levels and reduce waste. And let's not forget product innovation. AI can assist in R&D, speeding up the creation of new products and services. It's like having a supercharged research team at your fingertips. But AI isn't just about business. It's playing a pivotal role in solving some of humanity's toughest challenges, from healthcare to space exploration. In 2026, AI is not just a tool, it's a revolution. The future looks bright and full of possibilities. Are you ready to be part of it? If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights on how technology can transform your business. Thanks for watching.